Welcome to Singapore, a dynamic city-state facing unique challenges in its industries due to limited land area and strategic maritime importance. However, with innovative solutions from EDDY Pump, these challenges become opportunities for growth and efficiency. Let's explore how EDDY Pump's cutting-edge slurry pumps and dredging equipment address the specific needs of Singapore's major sectors, from technology to manufacturing. EDDY Pump's state-of-the-art technology is designed to navigate Singapore's urban complexities, providing a strategic advantage for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Explore the range of EDDY Pump products, from submersible slurry pumps to flooded suction pumps, tailored to meet the unique needs of Singapore's industries. Discover why efficient pumping and dredging solutions are crucial for Singapore, from port optimization to land reclamation and environmental preservation. EDDY Pump's solutions address these challenges head-on, ensuring seamless material transfer and infrastructure maintenance in Singapore's dynamic urban landscape. Dive into how EDDY Pump's solutions optimize operations in Singapore's industries, from efficient port maintenance to flood resilience and enhanced trade competitiveness. With strategic locations in Marina Bay and Shenton Way, EDDY Pump is poised to meet the needs of Singapore's industries. Invest in EDDY Pump today and confidently navigate Singapore's industrial landscape's challenges. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.